Dental bridges are a popular treatment for dental problems that aims to repair damaged teeth and improve an individual's smile as well as functional oral function. This video will concentrate on comparing the price of dental bridges in Europe as well as Turkey, two destinations that are very popular in the world of dental tourism. In Europe, there is a cost associated with bridges for dental use can differ greatly according to the specific country and also the dental clinic that is in use. In general, the price for a dental bridge in Europe is ranging between €500 up to €1,500 every tooth. It can even be greater in those countries that have an increased cost of living, for example, Switzerland or Scandinavian countries. In contrast, Turkey has become a sought-after location for dental tourism over the last few years because of its top-quality dental services for a reasonable price. The price of dental bridges in Turkey is much lower when compared to Europe, as prices vary between €200 up to €500 for each tooth. These savings could be explained due to the low-cost living expenses in Turkey in addition to the effort of the Turkish government to increase health tourism in Turkey. If you are comparing the price of bridges in the dental field in Europe and Turkey when comparing costs, you need to look at the quality of treatment and the experience of dentists. Even though the expense of dental bridges might be more affordable in Turkey, but patients should anticipate high-quality dentistry from highly experienced and trained dentists. Apart from cost reductions, the dental tourism industry in Turkey also offers additional benefits, including a reduced appointment wait with modern, well-equipped and comfortable dental centers, and having the possibility of combining treatments with a holiday within a gorgeous and historic country. It is vital to understand that dental tourism isn't ideal for everyone. Patients need to evaluate the pros and cons prior to choosing to visit overseas for dental care. Patients who have complex dental problems or those who require several dental procedures may not be suitable of dental tourism. Dental bridges cost for bridges and dental implants in Europe are significantly more expensive compared to Turkey and makes Turkey an ideal option for people looking for affordable and top-quality dental services. Patients must, however, search for and choose a trustworthy dental facility located in Turkey to guarantee a pleasant and comfortable dental procedure.